Wyatt will?
Yeah, and he's on the fishy.
Oh.
Yeah, you want to know?
I don't want to fish.
No, not fish. This, we just have to do it in the water.
Oh, we're going to go swimming?
Yeah. There's no fishies.
There's no fishies that will
No.
get me?
Have it. No, fishy don't bite.
Oh, they don't?
No. They're just nice.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting down.
Oh, you feeling better?
No.
No.
This made me feel better.
What's that?
That made me feel better.
Is it mints?
No, it's missing.
Oh. You like medicine?
Yeah. What's Daddy doing? He's that big one.
Yeah, it's pink.
Look, blue and pink.
Is there blue too?
And you like orange and pink.
Yeah, I like orange and pink. I like pink more.
Yep.
Two?
Two pinks.
Two pinks? What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Really?
Two pinks.
Oh.
And you have two pinks.
I do?
And that's my day. That's my thing.
That's Wyatt's game?
Yeah.
Oh.
And we got another one from you. I don't share.
Yeah?
Look at me. I should put something in this. And put a weight car in here.
You are?
Yeah. Big one.
Wait, what are you putting in it?
A weight car.
A race car?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What are you going to do with it once it's in there?
And it's in it.
Uh-oh, it's going to fall out.
Why?
There's a hole.
Why?
That's weird. Where are you going to mail your race car to?
The animal two.
2 race cars?
Yeah.
Where are they going to go?
A room?
In my room?
Yeah.
Why?
It's your present.
My present?
Yeah.
Wow. You're going to give me 2 race cars?
Yeah. It's gonna be your birthday.
Oh.
Yeah.
How old am I going to turn?
You have to turn in 4.
Oh, I'm going to turn 4?
Me too.
You too?
Yep.
Wow. How old are you right now?
What?
How old are you right now?
2.
You're not 2.
Why?
Remember you had your birthday. 1, 2,
2,
3.
4.
You're 3.
No. I'm 4.
No, you're 3.
This is 4.
Oh, let's count. Okay, let's count them.
1, 2, 3.
3. You're 3.
Oh, what the hell are you right there?
Oh no. What is it? What happened?
No, it's just.
I need a Band-Aid. What is it? Hey, don't touch it. What is it?
It's.
I'm bleeding?
Why? Mommy want to touch it. Mommy want not to touch it.
Because it'll get on you. My blood will get on you.
There's not blood.
Yeah, there is. You see the blood?
No, that's not blood.
Yeah, it is.
It's paint.
It's paint?
Yeah.
No, I got an owie. There's blood.
Do the paper towel.
Will you kiss it?
No. Do the paper towel. Do the paper towel.
Okay.
It makes me feel better.
It'll make me feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.